In this video, we're going to show you how to jumpstart a Minecraft Bedrock Edition free server. So it's very easy to do. There's a lot of options you have. Right now for this video, we're going to use scalacube.com as an example. As you can see here, 24/7 free Minecraft server hosting, free forever DDoS protection, 24/7 uptime server monitoring, instant setup SSD storage, all Minecraft versions, and supports 24/7. So you can try with the one on the main Minecraft software, but that's just free 30 days. So as you can see here, why should I host a Minecraft server? These are examples. Why I choose Scalacube for free Minecraft server hosting. Again, these are the reasons why. And it's very easy. So all you need to do is click on get free Minecraft server. And then you can choose your server hosting. So you can choose your memory. As you can see, 6 gigs, 24/7 free forever. Pretty good if it's just you and your friends. So say you have like 3, 4, 5, 6 friends. This is pretty decent for you. And then Canada, so you can choose wherever server will be. If you want more RAM for your server, you need to pay. As you can see, or if you're running like a big public server, sure, you need to like upscale that. But if it's just you and your friends, like free pretty much covers everything. And as you can see, these are like people that are using them. So Curse Forge is a big one. Feed the Beast is a big one. Standard meaning original Minecraft is a big one. So yeah, you just click on get your server, right? And then Minecraft Java, Minecraft Pocket. So that's pretty much what you want. And then just click next. And click the location where you want, right? It's for US West. And yeah, just follow these and you're going to be sorted out. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, read up, bell icon. See you on the next one.